Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send crypto from Kraken to another wallet. So you get started with the easy step-by-step guide. So the first thing to do is to open the Kraken website and log into your account, or if you have the mobile app installed on your phone, you can also log into your account using the mobile app version. Then after that you have to navigate to the funding tab from the main menu, then select or click probably tap on withdraw to start the withdrawal process. Then from there you have to choose the cryptos of your choice. So you can select BTC or Ethereum, depends on how you want it. Then after that you have to click hard address to input the external wallet address. Then after that you have to paste the destination wallet carefully, not to avoid loss of your crypto. For some coin like ERPLM, also you have to enter their destination tag or memo. So save the address after verifying it correct. Then you have to enter the withdrawal amount. So once you do that, you have to review the fee and confirmation. So once you review all of that, starting from the fee, they can also review the details carefully, and Kraken will also show the network fee as well. Then confirm the withdrawal request. And after that you have to complete your two-factor authentication, which is the 2FA. So enter the 2FA code if enabled, then wait for the process. So you will receive a confirmation email once the withdrawal is being processed. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.